Okay, I'm just gonna check my channel analytics because why not? Rarely do this, but okay. Taikama has a new just I don't remember making that. 234 views. My most viewed video. Wow, that's a lot. Wait, what? Oh my. What on earth? Dude, that is, and I gained 12 subscribers from this video. I don't even remember making this.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel.
Oh no, too cringe. I remember that now. It's a bit too cringe. Thank you everybody for clicking on the video for some reason, and very low effort was put into it. In my opinion, it's one of my worst videos. So I thought, you know those like top 5 channels, top 10 channels, you know they have like random pictures of what they're talking about, and then it like slowly zooms in or something on the picture. I don't know if you know what I mean. I tried to do that here.
Hello.
I searched on Google Justin Y and Taikamuna. So yeah, I just put these in here, these low quality things, and I thought it was kind of like those what I talked about earlier, the oh man, look how low quality that image is. What was I thinking? But what is this? What is this? Oh, such low quality. How did it get this many views though? Like how? I'm not complaining, but like how? How does this bad of a video get so many views? That is maybe because I added tags or something? I don't know why this got so many views. Okay. Most viewed video on my channel, no idea why. Okay, that'll work. But is it the thumbnail? Is it the title? Why is this so popular? Look how low quality those like even the thumbnail's low quality. But I do want to say something about this. Look who commented on this video. Taikamuna. The real Taikamuna, by the way, because we got the check mark here, which we know, which tells us that this is the real Taikamuna, and it leads us straight to their channel. It could be a fake. I don't think so though, because it has the verified symbol. But yeah, seriously, guys, thank you so much for that. In my opinion, it was low quality. I don't mind though. You know, I'm not complaining. This is just crazy. Look, we got Justin Y made from Domino's on Takamuna's channel, which kind of relates to my video. I don't know why I said that. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. I have improved so much since that video. I mean, I think I was like, I don't know, I must have been like 4 years old. Probably not. When I was 4. But this has nothing to do with what we're talking about right now. But when I was little, this used to be called Art with Zach, and I copied Art with Jazza. That's where I got from them. So it's never a good idea to copy, it's never okay to copy other people's names channel, and I changed it to Xbot, and then I changed it to Zachary R, and then here I am with Zappy Zebra. And also, doesn't relate to what we're talking about here, but, oh, what's going on? Why is that there? Okay, but, I really need some help with the banner, because these are the correct dimensions, but apparently it's too big, and I honestly have no idea what to do with the banner, so I really need help with that, and, yeah, it's cut off and everything. Also, I haven't checked my second channel in a long time. Let me see. You know, I don't really upload much on here. By the way, for some reason it took me a long time to make this banner up here, which is unacceptable. It shouldn't have taken so long. Sorry for not uploading on here. Because I really just made this channel so that people can easily find my alternate future videos, cause oh yeah, and my worst mapping video. I mean, yeah, some of these, this got the most views, this didn't, for obvious reasons. This one is updated, so it's definitely better. A lot of these are cringe, actually, which I do not mind. So, yeah, don't know why that keeps going on. So, yeah, by the way, I am doing a ton of live streams, because those are very easy to do, and I enjoy doing them very much. By the way, thank you, AJ, for literally watching every single one of my streams. I mean, this was a failed one. It's obvious that was a failed one. Let me try to find. Oh yeah, also this was a good video, by the way. I do have some favorites, and I think my favorite one would be, let me see. I think my favorite one would be, my game review ones aren't very good. I will do more Minecraft Hypixel, streams, and this, I honestly, the big thing with this is, I still wonder why no one else is no one talking about that secret map in Vehicle Simulator, because it's just off the side it's like off the map. It's not one of the Dominus Easter eggs. You get to get the space skin on your cars. It's not that map with the waterfall. It's the it's a separate island. It's not connected at all. And I still wonder to this day. And I also deleted a ton of videos. All my bad videos, because they were even worse than the ones that's when I used to use bonus chests in survival. Man, how to delete videos on YouTube. I mean, the reason I made that is because, you know, because the reason I made that video is because I wanted to delete a specific video, and let me see. There are a couple times, I think, popular people commented on my videos. Okay. Where's the original texture pack showcase? I don't think I have that on here anymore. Yeah, yeah, I might delete that. Even though it has a lot of views, it was totally fake. It's just a modded version of, yeah, I don't know. Also, Alternate Future South America, Abandoned Series, European Madness, kind of finished that actually. I did make a lot of American Destruction videos, and also this trailer for trailer for Alternate Future Asia. Um, this was this was fake. I will never make that. Sorry. I could put this on my Texas mapping channel as well, but sorry. This isn't real. I'm not making a AFOA. There we go. And actually, yeah, that's the one I use. I think I used, what did I use to make this? I totally forgot what I used to make it. Yeah, it accidentally became a good video. It accidentally became acceptable, like a good video. Cause I did use a template thing where you just put in a single video and then it mixes it around. I think it's called cinematic. I still don't remember what program I used to make this. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, by the way. But yeah, I was only gonna make this a I was only gonna make, oh, also 1 hour of Roblox. Nope. Alternate Future of Europe discontinued. Victoria 2 told me how to play. Nobody told me that. Told me how to play it. Why do I keep live streaming? I only live streamed. I don't think I live streamed that much. Why do I keep live streaming? Why do I keep live streaming? What did I do? Oh, I played, I forgot what that was called. Oh, this video? I don't know where I got that. Yeah, I used to play Bangta.io a lot before. Then I accidentally kept this thumbnail from the why do I keep live streaming thing down here because I kept it. I used this thumbnail because, you know, thinking emoji, whatever. Did I make BeamNG crashes that long ago? Did I really make BeamNG? No way. What's my oldest video? I could have just looked down there. How to make my Bang.io skin, no talking. 0 target 0. I think I remember that. I'm not 0 target 0 anymore though. Yeah. I remember Bang.io. I was really bad at it. Let me check. Where do I actually make my skin? It doesn't look anything like. It doesn't look anything like this. Spoiler alert. Should have said spoiler before. But as you can see, that is messed up. That's completely wrong. I messed that up badly. Anyways, I hope I pressed record on this, or I would be really mad. Let me see, bonk challenge with no X key.
Everybody, welcome back to another video.
Oh my goodness, we're not showing that, we're not showing that, we're not showing that. I tried to do aerials in Rocket League. Yeah, I sucked at that. I still do to this day. Man, and man. Don't send me to jail. Making my house in Minecraft. Yeah, I had the SWAT skin. I've changed my skin so many times in Minecraft. Oh, not this song again. It haunts my dreams. I use that song all the time. Come on, get on with the video. I was so bad at this. I think I just quit. Yeah, that is not what my house is made out of. It's made out of it's like more of a sandstone color. How to screen lock in Roblox. This video is getting way too long. I'm ending it.